name's Libby McLaughlin, and I am the co-owner of Controlled Rain. We've been in business since 1993, and we do landscape construction. Today we're going to actually go out and winterize some sprinkler systems, and I have Evan, David, and Jordan, my irrigation technicians, and they're going to be showing us the process today. So it's really important to get your sprinklers winterized. And the reason is because if you don't and it freezes, you could get a small crack in your line, and you wouldn't know it until you turned on your water in the spring. And really, you're not going to know it until you get your first water bill, and it's going to be really high. And then you're going to want to call us to come out and do the repair. You could just go ahead and have us come out and winterize right now and protect your investment so that you don't have any costly repairs in the spring.
First off, a professional should do this process so you don't hurt yourself or others around you and blow out. If you put too much pressure in your lines, it could blow up or blow out your tie-in. Another reason a professional should do this is we know what we're doing, and we've done it a lot of times.
We have the equipment and the knowledge to locate and carry the volumes of water out of the system, as opposed to someone's home-bought compressor does not carry the volume of air that our tow-behinds do. And professionalism. We come out, we do the system, we do it right, and you know it's done right and done correctly.
All right, the first thing we're gonna do in the winterization process is to turn off the double check valves. And we're gonna make sure those are in the off position. This prevents water from going back into your water source, so you're not blowing through your double check. The next step in the winterization process is tying into your double check or your irrigation system. And then we're going to take our 1/4-inch air hose that's ran from our compressor, and these are called Chicago style fittings, and you push, click, and now we're ready to turn on a valve and blow air. Step 3, we're going to go turn on a valve that stays on until it's time to go to the next valve. So when we're blowing air through the system, you can see the heads start to spray out a mist. You can see it goes in a sequence. The first head starts to blow out a mist, then the next head, then the next head after that. That's a good indicator. You can tell which head is your first and last on your lateral lines. That's stuff we notate down in our heads, so if we ever have to come out and do a repair or flush out your lateral line, we already know where it's at. As well as when we're going through, we're always taking notes of broken heads and stuff that needs to be repaired, so that way it's fast and easy come springtime to get your system up to 100%. Now that we're done winterizing, we just repeat the process backwards. Make sure all the valve handles are to the off position. Turn off your clock. See you next spring. Rain Club is a membership we have that includes a spring startup, a winterization, and free diagnostics, and it's $270 a year.
They remind us when it's time to winterize so that I don't have to remember. They come out, they get it scheduled really easily. Sometimes I'm able to be here, sometimes I'm not, and they're able to still get my system done year after year. It's all ready to go. Very convenient.
Today we've learned the importance of winterizing your sprinkler system. So to protect your investment, make sure you give us a call and we'll get you taken care of.